Hi everybody. I just wanted to come on. I don't usually do videos, but on occasion I will do one. But it is Mother's Day, and I wanted to thank everyone in all of my food groups for all the support and for all the incredible recipes that you've shared through the years. And I've been so blessed to be a part in running these groups. So I wanted to wish you all a very happy Mother's Day. All of the mothers out there, the fathers who are like mothers, and all the men in my group who also are incredible cooks and everything. And I wanted to just give back a little bit today on Mother's Day. I had actually planned quite a meal for today for Mother's Day. I was going to make grilled Greek chicken and a Greek salad, some baba ganoush, some hummus, some tzatziki dip. And my sons, Jeffrey and Stephen, informed me that they were going to take care of dinner today. So we're heading up to my sons to have dinner with their families. But I will be postponing my meal. But it's funny how everything sort of comes together. I was talking to Mark recently, and I just finished up some olive oil that he and Lauren had brought back from Greece. And I really earlier in the week, I got a message from my dear friend Maria's son, Jonathan. Maria, you'll see a lot pops up in my posts on recipes for the wine cookie, for pesto. We met when our kids were playing hockey years and years ago, and as we were driving to all of these hockey meets, we would talk about food and recipes in the cars. What do Italians talk about? They talk about food 24/7, and her kids are like my kids. They love food and they love to eat. And sadly, her husband passed away about a year ago, and he used to run the ad agency that I worked with for years when we were in upstate New York, and now his son Jonathan has taken over the ad agency. And John messaged me, and we were talking about food as usual, and he said to me, "Have you tried this Greek olive oil?" And he gave me the name of the brand, Lesvos Farms, and I said, "No, I haven't heard of it. It must be new." And he said it was a client of his, and he said, "This olive oil is so good, you have to try this olive oil." So I said, "Okay, I'll go on and I'll order some." And he said, "No, wait, let me see if I can have them send you some." So he actually sent me some. So my Mother's Day present was an incredible box. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to pull it out of the box, of balsamic vinegar from Levos Farms and olive oil, which I actually opened and tasted, and it is really good. So I am so looking forward to using it in these recipes this week, which I will post when I get them up and running. But, Jonathan said he was, very happy to send me a sample, so I'm really looking forward to trying it. And he was not only nice enough to send me a sample, but he also said that for all of my followers in my food groups, that he would be happy to give a code if anybody wanted to try the oil as well. So as my Mother's Day gift to you, I'm passing on this information so that if you'd like to order some of this delicious olive oil and balsamic vinegar, you can go to truegreekimports.com. and use my code Elise CWL. I'll put it in a link, in a note in the comments as well. And they're giving 50% off for the first 300 combination orders, or just olive oil, just vinegar, whichever you prefer. And then 20% off and free shipping for first-time orderers after that runs out. But the nice thing about this is it is all imported from Greece. The owner of the company is actually Greece, and he lives in Connecticut, and he is importing everything to Connecticut, so it's all shipping from right here in the U.S. So I wanted to pass that on to you as a Mother's Day gift, not really from me, but from Levos Farms, and I hope that you'll take advantage of it. Again, I'm looking forward to making some Greek food this week. Didn't quite pan out for today, but I hope that maybe tomorrow I'll get that done. And again, I want to thank all of you for your support through all these years. I love my pasta groups, Food Fanataholics, Pasta Fanataholics, Elise's Cooking with Love, Food Fanataholics for Kids. It's such a joy to be able to run these groups, and the friendships that I've made through these groups have been absolutely incredible. Some of you I've gotten to meet in person, some we text and talk all the time by phone. But I just wanted to thank you again for all that you've done for me, and to tell you I truly appreciate it. Have a happy and a healthy Mother's Day to all of you.